Hello friends, people are criticizing me. They are laughing at me when I speak English language. I'm making videos and I'm uploading them on YouTube, and they are laughing at me that what benefit you are getting from these videos by speaking English language. We don't know the English language. We are running good business. We are rich than you, and you are wasting time you by making videos or by speaking English language. So sometimes I feel that perhaps they are saying the right thing because they are doing better business than me. They are earning good livelihood than me. I'm making videos, I'm uploading on social media. Because in previous time when I started learning English language, there were no social media. There was no social media, and I was just learning the English language. No opportunities. Right now, I have gotten this opportunity of social media, and whatever I have learned in my previous time, I'm sharing my experience through social media, and I'm hopeful that one day my channel will grow, and this channel will give me the reward. And the people, those are laughing at me by saying that what benefit you are getting by speaking English language. My English is, I think that not good. However, I can say that others are understanding me, whatever I'm saying. So I think that this is the nature of the people, that they admire you only when you have the money. When you are poor, if you are delivering a beautiful lecture, they will ignore you. If you have a great talent, they will ignore you because you are poor. And if you are rich, you are doing mistakes, they will appreciate you. You are doing the wrong things, they will appreciate you. What is the system? What is the mentality of these people? I think that we should encourage those people who are talented, no matter they are rich or poor. I think the wealth is by luck. So we should support each other. We should not discourage others by saying that you are not getting any kind of benefit by speaking English language. In this way, that person will be demotivated. In all his struggle have no benefit. All his struggle, all his, you can say that hard working will go waste. So all his hopes die to ground. So I think that we should support each other. We should not criticize others. If you are doing the right things, these people have the mentality to criticize you. If you are poor, if you are doing the wrong things, but you are rich, these people will appreciate you. This is the mentality of underdeveloped countries people. In developed countries, the mentality may be different. But in underdeveloped or poor countries, this kind of mentality is available. And this is very dangerous. This is very bad mentality. We should correct ourselves. We should support each other. If we can't encourage, we should not criticize. I think that people mentality will change when the system will change. There is the problem of system. System is giving the respect to rich people and ignoring the poor people. There are so many people who are talented, who have the great qualities, but they are poor. But system is ignoring them. And there are the people, those are not eligible. They are doing the wrong things, but they are rich, but they are making them their leaders. Our government system, you can see, only the corrupt people are going into government system. Those have the wealth by unfair means, and those who are talented are not getting the opportunities. This is the, I think, wrong policy. We should correct this. Only then we can promote ourselves, we can progress together. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.